Hello friends, today we're after the grout, and you can pan through there. The tile's all been set, we're putting the grout in. Make sure the customer was happy with the color. And I'm using a sanded grout, and I'm using a finishing knife to push it in. That way I'm just real familiar with finishing knife after all the years of drywall finishing. And we mixed it with a battery-powered drill and a beater, which I'll show you here shortly how that works. I'm forcing that grout in there. Of course, we've taken all the spacers out. We didn't do it. The kids that live here had a lot of fun doing it. And I had suggested that would be something fun for the kids to do. And so we'll let that set a little bit, and we will keep on keeping on. And we'll come back here and start wiping it out. Wiping it down, we'll show you how to do that. Okay, in case you're wondering, go ahead and keep mixing. This is how we mix. Use a beater like this, a battery-powered drill. Don't want to mix a whole lot because I got to get it down in 45 minutes. That's about when it starts getting stiffer to wipe it all down. So that's about the mixture that we want. Maybe a little thicker, but that'll work. And then we're going inside and put it in. When we first start off, we do with a sponge. If you watch how Drew's doing this, we're getting the main part of it off. And then we come back with a towel. Right back here, we're using towels. Clay's tracking it up, but this team is getting better and better at it. And we get to pull it down with a towel. Believe it or not, that works better than sponges. And it can be expensive if you buy a brand new towel. I go to thrift stores and pick them up and use them again and again until they can't be used. But towel speeds it up, does a better job. Now, after that towel does its job, it'll leave a fine dust. Well, never mind, we need to clean that up so that looks better. It'll leave a fine dust, and then we'll come back with the towel again and wipe that dust down. And we'll get it all cleaned up nice and pretty. That's how you do it. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is simply let this dry for about an hour or so. We're going to take a towel and knock the dust off of all this.